All right, I've got a recipe that I want to share with y'all today. It was sent in by a viewer, somebody that really loves the show. His name is Shane, and he lives in Miami Beach. And the recipe is a sweet and sour meatball. Now, Shane starts off with meatballs. You can buy these frozen or you can make your own. I'm going to be using frozen meatballs today. All right, now I'm going to make up 2 different sauces for these meatballs. The first sauce I'm going to make, I'm going to use 1 diced onion. And then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of Dijon mustard. And then I'm going to use 6 cloves of garlic that has been minced. Okay, and all that goes together. Okay. Now I'm gonna dice up, slice up, whatever, about a 1/2 cup of green onions. Perfect, that looks like about a 1/2 cup. In that goes. Now I'm gonna take 2 short cans of pineapple, 8-ounce cans of pineapple chunks, and I'm going to drain that pineapple juice off of the pineapples. You'll want to be careful not to cut yourself with these tops right here. They can be real sharp. All right, now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of my pineapple juice, and I'm going to bring them over to my saucepan because I'm going to make now the sweet sauce to go over these meatballs. All right, we've got that mixed up. Now we're going to come over here for our sweet sauce, and we're going to start with 4 cups of ketchup. All right, so I've got my 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. I've got my 4 cups of ketchup. And to this, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, and 2 tablespoons of black pepper. All right, just a couple of minutes for this sauce, not long. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna get our meatballs ready. Now, I've got our pineapple chunks that I drained the juice out of, and I'm just gonna add those to the meatballs, and then I'm gonna just stir in that first sauce that we made right over our meatballs. This is looking good, Shane. Yum, I love the mustard and the garlic and all that together. All right, now our red sweet sauce is ready. So all we're gonna do is pour this over our meatballs. There we go. All we're gonna do, y'all, is put this in the oven for 1 hour, and then we're gonna take it out and we're gonna pour the rest of our pineapple juice from our canned pineapple into this, and we're gonna stir it up. And Shane says put it back in the oven and let it bake for another 30 minutes. And he said we're gonna have an over-the-top sweet and sour meatball. But you know what? We're fixing to check him out because I've got some ready. I have never tasted these before, Shane. So right here, I'm fixing to check out your recipe. Ooh, they look good, Shane. Let's bring them down here. And I'm gonna serve these with some little toothpicks so that everybody can just come by and quickly grab them a meatball in case they don't want to put it on their plate. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. Shame on you, boy. These are delicious. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.